it's Sammy. So today I'm going to be trying out something that I've never done before. Usually I'm a Taekwondo athlete. But today I'm going to be trying out the Blogilates 500 ab workout. So I came across this video on YouTube. Basically, you start with, I think it's 5 different kinds of exercises, and you start at 1 and you go all the way up to 10 and then all the way back down. Total that equals out to be 500 little ab reps. So I'm gonna see how my Taekwondo abs hold up. No idea what it's gonna be like. I don't think I've ever done like 500 reps of an ab workout before, but I've never really counted. So we're just gonna experiment and see how this goes. Okay, so I'm pulling up the video here on my laptop so that we can follow along. Here is the first move. It is these. A crunch to the right, then a crunch to the left, double leg lift, roll up. Hopefully I'm doing all of those correctly. Okay, so basically we're gonna start off with sets of 1 of each of those exercises, and then we're just gonna increase it all the way up until we get to 10, and then all the way back down. Get ready, get set, and go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, easy so far. All right, 2. All right, set 3. Ready? Oh my God, these I think are the hardest ones. Time for set number 4. Okay, my abs are starting to feel it. Oh, okay, set number 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Not even halfway done yet. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, time for set number 7. I'm already feeling it, guys. Set number 7. Time for set number 9. These are my least favorite. 1. Set number 10. All right, Sammy. Anytime now. Yeah! Made it to halfway! Oh my God. Okay, now doing all that all over again. Yeah! Okay, down to 8. I can't tell if these are getting easier or if my abs are just getting more numb. Yeah! Okay, time for the easy part. feeling it. Set of 3 is next. Done. I'm dead. This is what my hair looks like at the end of this ab workout. Alright, so overall, Cassey from can't even talk. Cassey from Blogilates, that was hard. I'm definitely gonna have our competition team try this tonight. I don't think they'll make it. So guys, I have pretty good core strength, and that was pretty rough. I think the hardest part was honestly those like leg lifts. I don't remember what she calls them, but those leg lifts, if you don't have your hands underneath your hips, they are like 10 times harder. So if you're thinking about trying it, try it. If you like this video, make sure to tell me in the comments below. I'm thinking about doing like a little series of trying different things. The other day, I had one of my friends that's really good at parkour teach me some parkour moves. I'll let you wait for the video to see how it went. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment below. Tell me if you tried it, especially I want to see how other martial artists do with this kind of ab challenge. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!